How to download Ring app on Android. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can download Ring app on Android. For this, you want to open the Play Store app on your device. Make sure to sign into your Google account. Now, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once the search bar appears, tap on that. Now, you want to type Ring and tap on the search icon. Out of these search results, tap on the first one, which is Ring Always Home. Now tap on the install option. As soon as you do that, the downloading will begin. Depending on the speed of your internet, it will take some time for the application to be downloaded. Down below, if you tap on About this app option, you get all the required information about this application, including the version, download size, and required OS. Now, once the downloading has been completed, it will be automatically installed on your device. All you have to do now is tap on the open option and start using the Ring app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.